Okay, hello and welcome to another trading week. All right, last week was quite an interesting week. Towards the end of the week, we saw market momentum, although we missed some very high quality trade because we closed some of our trades and then shut down our system, only to return and see very high quality moves on very high quality setups that we would have taken. All right, without any waste of time, let's look into the Forex Factory economic calendar to see those high impact news announcements. The first schedule for this upcoming trading week. Okay, we have some high impact news announcement here, scheduled from Monday to Friday. Okay, not as much, not just too much, but then still okay. Take note of this high impact news announcement, especially if you're an intraday trader. All right, now quickly to the charts. But before we conduct our analysis, let's review what happened, our performance as of last week. Now, if you look into our Telegram channel, which is open for you to join, this is the public channel, you will see that we took some trades. All right, these are some of our setups. If you scroll down, you are going to see how we managed through those trades. Okay, you can see how we close some good profits, 120 pips, 43 pips. All right, how we update the trades, letting you know our active trades and the status of those trades that are very active, and then how we continue to manage through. You can see how we update our members and let them know that we are closing out our trades, we are cashing out some profit, and then finally our last update, all right, for last week. That means the only trade we are holding right now, okay, is on the gold. All right, it's on gold. Okay, I think we made some updates. Again, let's see what we have down. I know we're holding gold. Okay, now this is the last update. Okay, active trades, we are holding good, only 20% at break even. All right, at break even. So that's our only active trade for now. If you scroll to the end, that's the end of our our Telegram messages as of last week. All right, now into the MetaTrader 4 as well. You can see, like I said, this is the only pair we are holding trade on. That is gold right there, XAUUSD, and we're only holding 20%, all right, of our total trade. We have closed out 80%. All right, we've closed out 80%. And if you want to see the signal again, if you go back to the Telegram channel, you are going to see this is the signal right there. Okay, this is it. This was the signal that was sent. We placed a sell limit order. All right, rightly placed. Price went, just trigger our entry, then began to come down. Very nice entry. All right, very nice entry. Okay, now let's analyze. Looking into the chart. Okay, I wanted to show you that this is what we are holding now. And then if you also want to see our performance for on this small managed account, all right, we just started. There was initial deposit of 10,000 USD. Then for after some weeks, we have been able to double. All right, we've been able to double that account to 100%. All right, you can also see that in let me see if we have our my Facebook page. Just give me a minute. Okay, you will also see that I have reflected that on the my Facebook. Okay, this is 100% growth right there for that same account. Right, sorry for taking your time. Let's look into the charts and quickly analyze. First, I want to show you some of those trades I was talking about that we actually missed. Look at the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. That was the entry. In fact, we had a long entry. As soon as we closed that entry, we shut down. All right, we shut down, and this was the candle we would have placed our sell entry. You can see the massive move to the downside. Fantastic trade there it would have been, but we actually missed that entry. A lot of that happened. All right, a lot of this quality setup happened, but we missed them. Anyway, the gold setup I was talking about, that's it. We took our entry right there. We still have 20% running in profit. We will decide what to do with that. Already we have taken a large chunk of our profit, which is 80% out of the market, so that is running risk free. Let's hope that we are going to see some pushes to the downside for this week. Then they just want to show you two pairs here, two basic pairs that you may be thinking whether to trade them or not, and let you know our position on those pairs. The first one is the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. Well, you can obviously see that price reacted off a level of resistance. Okay, that reaction right there. Okay, that should actually give us a hint that the next candle should be to the downside. All right, should be to the downside. Well, our trading strategy is telling us that this might probably be a low quality setup, a weak one, and of course with this little bounces right there, it seems to be a problematic area around this zone. Okay, we might have a problematic area around here, so we are not going to be taking that trade because of these reasons. All right, so the room here is not too good enough, not a very good room, so we are going to be waiting to see price action around this area. Then we can decide whether to go short or long, but for now we are not going to be taking this trade, just so you know. Again, you will also see that price made some resistance around this zone, so that is a problematic area that we don't want to place our trade against. So we want price to move away from this level and also move away from this level. Price is trapped between support and resistance. Okay, now let's see the next one. New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc. Well, for those of you who are fans of the the 3 SME system of our our chief strategist Hector Davil, you can see that we have those bounces. All right, harmonic bounces of the dynamic area of support and resistance, quite nice bounces. All right, and of course this is the first candle close outside the dynamic area of resistance in this case, and so we should be expecting more downside. All right, well, as valid as the setup is, in my experience, I don't like taking this kind of trade. I don't want to go short now because there is a rising trend line, that counter trend line. All right, that zigzag into the dynamic area is still there, and I wouldn't want to trade against this rising trend line. Okay, if I hit on my sell button right there, I'll be effectively trading against that level of support, and I don't want to do that. Okay, at best we need to wait for price to give us a breakout. We want to see the pullback, then we want to see our move to the downside. But for now, since this line has not been broken, we will not be ready to jump into that trade at once. Let's wait and keep watching price action. Whatever develops, we will let you know. All our members in our Telegram and WhatsApp group know about our decision. Okay, all right, so that's it. Nothing much. Thanks for watching. For those of you who are giving us your likes, hitting the likes button, thank you so much. We appreciate you indeed. It is quite encouraging, and that has kept us going indeed. We hope to see a profitable trading week. Bye for now.